The Berne Coastline waterproof insulated storm jacket is engineered to tackle harsh weather conditions head-on, ensuring that work continues, rain or shine. Designed for those who face the elements on the job site, around the shop, or on the farm. This jacket is a fortress against the weather while maintaining comfort and mobility. Constructed from a lightweight yet robust 6.5-ounce 100% nylon shell, this jacket features heavyweight insulation quilted to polyester taffeta in the body and medium-weight insulation in the sleeves. This combination provides optimal warmth and flexibility, ideal for working in unpredictable weather. True to its weather warrior reputation, the Coastline collection boasts a waterproof, wind-resistant, and breathable fabric that ensures you stay dry and comfortable. An adjustable rain blocker hood offers added protection from the elements, ensuring that no weather can disrupt your work. The jacket is equipped with a nylon front zipper covered by a storm flap and adjustable cuffs designed to trap heat and block out cold and moisture. Storage is abundant and secure, with 3 inside pockets, a zippered left chest pocket, and front pockets, all designed to keep essential tools and personal items protected and accessible. The Berne Coastline waterproof insulated storm jacket is more than just outerwear. It's an essential part of the workday for those who require reliability and protection from their gear.